If you want to set a custom keyboard theme on a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, we have two options. The first option is to go to Settings, then in here scroll down and go to General Management, and then we're gonna go to the keyboard option in here. And what you can do is you can change the default keyboard from the Samsung keyboard to the Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard. So if you tap on default keyboard in here, you can make that switch quite easily, and there we go. After that, if you go back to General Management, then you can open Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard settings, and in here we can go to themes. In order to find the gallery with different themes that we can use, we can also go to yours, and we can create a custom one over here. So let's say from the gallery I'm gonna pick something. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. I need to download it, and then it is selected straight away. Now if I open the keyboard, as you can see, we have the keyboard visible. Of course, you might see in information about languages, so if needed you can make the adjustment. So this is the first method. The second method is to use just another third-party keyboard app, and in this case you can use pretty much anything that you want. However, in my case, I'm gonna use the Gboard or Google Keyboard. So we're gonna go to search, and we can search for Gboard over here. There we go. We should be able to install the app pretty easily, and the app also has the option to create a custom keyboard theme or set a custom keyboard theme. So once it is installed, we should be able to open it. We need to enable it in settings, so go over here and turn it on. There we go. We're gonna go back. We need to also select input method, so we're gonna go over here and we need to switch from the current keyboard to Gboard, and then we are all done. Immediately in these settings we can of course go to theme, and here we have some example themes that we can use, or you can use the My Themes option over here, use the plus button to create your own theme based on the image that you have in your gallery. So let's say I can choose something like this. We can adjust the picture of course, adjust the brightness as well, and we can use our custom theme. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.